Hi guys, today I will show you how to set up your Avejana account if you are not on a CMS platform like WooCommerce or Magento or Shopify. So if you are a standalone store, the easiest way to set up Avejana on your website is to add a piece of code into your review page. So this piece of code or the line of code is available under review widgets and widget settings. If you click this, you will come to this page. From here, you have to just copy this code till this part, and you have to go and paste this in the body of your page HTML. Now, once you do that, the Avejana widget will start showing on your review page. Now you can make all changes to the color, the size of the widget, the stars, etc. from this area. What you can also do is you can choose whether you want better performance with the widget or you want an immediate update with the widget. When you click better performance, caching, heavy duty caching will be enabled on your account. The reviews will flow after a gap of 1 hour from your site to the Avejana dashboard. And when you publish the reviews from here, again, they will take maybe another 1 hour to show up on your website. This is because we will enable caching, and caching actually helps improve the loading speed of the page. But if you want immediate performance, you can click immediate update and you can save changes here. Now reviews etc. will be updated immediately on your website. Also, if you have better performance enabled here, the changes that you make here in terms of the color of the widget, the size of the widget, they will also take time to show up on your website. So generally what people do is they keep immediate update when they are making all the settings. Once all the settings are done, you can go back to better performance and save so that the caching gets enabled. Now the next step is to create your product in the Avejana dashboard system. So when you say create a product, now if you are looking to get reviews for your restaurant, your company, what you can do is give any product name. For example, I'll give it Avejana company reviews. Okay, and I will give one product ID to it. So I can give it say 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll say this collects reviews for Avejana as a company. Okay, and then I have to select a currency and I'll put in just any random price here, and then I have to give the product URL. So I'll give the product URL avejana.com, and then I have to choose the product image. So now if you're doing company reviews, you don't actually need to give a product image here. You can just give your logo here. So I'll just give the Avejana logo here. Okay, and I'll say save changes, and I'll say product created successfully. So now you're ready. Actually your system is now all set up to start collecting reviews. The next step is to make your mail after purchase. So for this you can go to templates and you can create a new template here, and then you can start collecting reviews. Then you have to set your invitation settings. So you need to choose how many days after your sale should the first email go to your customer requesting reviews. So I'm going to make it 3 days. Then the second time, if the customer is not replying in the first instance, then in the second instance, when should the second reminder go? So I'll say the second reminder should go 7 days after sale, and the third reminder should go 12 days after sale, and I save the changes. So now my template is also set and my review invitations is also set. So if I can just do this, I'll preview the template, and ideally the product image here will actually be the image of your logo which you have just entered in your product code. Okay, now one thing I forgot to tell you is that when you use these widget settings, you see here it says product ID.
This product ID would be the product ID that we just entered while creating the product. So for us, it will be AJ1234. And then the system will pick up any reviews which come for AJ1234, and it will start showing those reviews on your review page. So with that, the settings are all done.